Hi xToolers! Before we dive into laser creation, we've prepared a simple checklist for you. By following these easy steps, you'll get your machine ready quickly and safely. Let's get started. First things first, let's make sure your laser machine is properly set up. Go to the xTool support website and find your product page. There, you'll find the Meet the Machine videos to guide you through unboxing and setup. Next, download and install xTool Creative Space. XCS is xTool's official and most optimized software, designed to maximize the efficiency and precision of your xTool machine. If you're working on a computer, visit the xTool official website to download the version for your system. XCS also supports mobile devices and iPads, so download it from the Apple Store or Google Play. Before you dive into your laser journey, let's quickly cover some essential laser safety tips. Lasers are categorized by safety classes, from Class 1, the safest, to Class 4, the most hazardous. All xTool devices are clearly labeled with their laser class and safety warnings. So take a moment to check these labels before you start. To prepare yourself, we highly recommend completing the Laser Safety Training course in the XCS software. Just log in, click the shield icon next to your account, and start the course. It's short, only 8 minutes, and will ensure you know how to operate your laser safely. Remember, safety comes first. Ensure your machine is properly connected, works normally, ventilated environment, and remove all flammable objects. Don't forget protective glasses or a laser shield if needed. All done. Let's move on to create your project using the software. See you there.